Good morning, everyone. This is part 2 of my adventures in Vienna, Austria. So, I just had a tasty breakfast in the hotel. Yeah, the breakfast is okay. It's maybe not so great, I would say. I have been in the hotels where, they really have a lot of things like fried eggs, bacon, like a lot of stuff. But it was decent, nice breakfast, like sausages, meat, cheese, omelette, boiled eggs, coffee. Yeah, the breakfast is good. And now I'm going to my next destination, and I decided to start today day with visiting Belvedere. So this is where I'm heading right now. I checked the navigation. I can take the tram, I think tram number 18, and yeah, a little bit walking from the hotel till the tram station, and then from tram station I guess maybe 5 minutes till Belvedere. I hope I'm pronouncing this name correctly. If not, please correct me in the comments. So let's go. And as you see, the weather is not so good today. It's cloudy, a little bit colder than yesterday, but the time is 10 minutes before 9, almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So I hope that it will be better. This is my tram number 18. Okay, 6 stops by tram number 18 from my hotel, and I'm at Belvedere. As you see, there are quite a big group of kids, like school kids and kindergarten kids. They have arrived to Belvedere. I'm not sure, maybe it's some excursion week for the kids, because yesterday on St. Stephen's Cathedral Tower I saw also quite big student group, and yeah, it was really hard to go down the tower, since there were quite many kids, and actually I don't like then there are big tourist groups, because like now you should wait to make a photos until they are gone, and it's not good for filming. Yep, so unfortunately I will have to wait a little bit while they leave, then I will go to explore Belvedere, and I will be filming this for you guys. Yeah, this is Belvedere. The Belvedere is a historic building complex in Vienna, consisting of two Baroque palaces, the Upper and Lower Belvedere, the Orangery and the Palace stables. There are fountains, beautiful park, Baroque sculptures and majestic iron gates. The Baroque palace complex was built as a summer residence for Prince Eugene of Savoy. Now it also houses the Belvedere Museum, where you can see a lot of interesting art. Yeah, and it's really cold today. And windy as well, from time to time. I guess you can hear the wind on the video. Sorry about that, but I cannot do anything. Hopefully for my next adventures, big adventures, I will buy external mic, so the sound will be better. I hope I will manage to buy. We'll see. As you see, no entrance here. We should go in that direction. Yeah, but I don't see any people inside, so I guess I have arrived here too early, so maybe need to take a walk here and wait. Hopefully around 10 o'clock it will be open. Yeah, because yeah, I want to go inside and see what's there. Yeah, looks like cafe is opened already. Let's check. Yeah, the prices are quite high. Very expensive cafe. But I'm not hungry yet, so let's check if Belvedere is opened, what time it opens, and see if we should wait until it opens or not. Here it's closed. Tickets there. Okay, let's go, because here you cannot see at what time it opens. And it says the tickets is there. in the info center. Okay, let's go and check. Here is the plan. I don't want to wait in the line. You can buy the tickets online actually, but I will check it later. Yeah, a very nice place. There is no wind here. There is wind, but very small. So what I wanted to tell, actually the weather forecast for today is not promising. It's 40% chance of the rain, and actually after 4 o'clock p.m. they are promising that there will be rain, which is not good, and that's why I have decided that I will go earlier in the morning to see as much tourist attractions as possible, because tomorrow the chance of the rain even higher. I think 60 or even 80% chance of the rain. So, and as you see, it's a lot of clouds. The rain can start at any minute. Yeah. So let's continue to enjoy this beautiful place. place. As you see, the entrance to the museum is from the other side, but I will not go there today. Okay, so it's already past 10 o'clock, so I will go to the upper Belvedere and I will check how much the tickets costs, and if it's for affordable price, because I don't want to spend a lot of money for the museums. I'm not big fans of the museums, except just some museums. Yeah, that's why I will just check how much the tickets cost for this upper Belvedere. If the price is affordable, then I will visit this museum.